Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Elementor widgets for faster page building. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Elementor website. Navigate to the Elementor widgets section, where you can find various widgets available for download. Browse through the options and choose the widgets that suit your needs for faster page building. Click on the widget you want to download. On the widgets page, look for the download button and click it to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder. The file will typically be in a zip format, so you need to extract it. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All or Unzip. After extracting, you will see a folder containing the widget files. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, navigate to the Plugins menu and select Add New. At the top of the page, click on the Upload Plugin button. Click on Choose File and locate the folder with the extracted widget files. Select the relevant widget file and click Install Now. Now, go to the page where you want to add the new widget. Open the Elementor editor to start building your page. In the Elementor sidebar, search for the new widget you just installed. Drag and drop the widget into your page layout. Customize the widget settings as needed to match your design. Finally, save your changes and preview the page to see your new widget in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.